In part 1 on create an API proxy, we set the target endpoint in the existing API field to https://mocktarget.apg.net. This is just a recall. Now, as the endpoint doesn't return any interesting data, so we shall change that endpoint so that it returns some XML. So how do we do that? We'll sign into the Apigee UI again. So I've already logged into the Apigee console or Apigee UI. So, and I've got my proxy, which we have created in the last class. So I'll click on my proxy. Okay, so it is already deployed on the with revision 1 on the eval environment. So what we'll do, we'll click on this develop tab. Okay, and we'll go for this target endpoint. So we'll go for this target endpoint, and this default we'll click on the preflow. So this is the code pane, and this is the displays the endpoint settings in the code pane. Okay. Now this target endpoint is defined by this URL. So what we'll do is at the end we'll append an XML, /XML, and then save. So the revision you tried to save cannot be overridden. So a new revision was created. That's fine. Okay. Now I have opened up this deployment panel, and we have got this revision 2. And if I click on this revision to deploy my proxy to eval. Okay, if I click on deploy, so it is deploying revision 2 to eval with some details. As usual, it will take some time, and we'll come back again. So we can see now here that the revision 2 is fully deployed environment eval. Okay, so now we have got 2 revisions, 1 and 2. Now I will now test my changes by sending a request to my proxy, just like we did in the step 3 or part 3 testing the API proxy. So I'll put this command and click on OK, and then I've got this XML data at the bottom here, although it's not very clean. Okay, so it's still there. Root, city San Jose, first name John, last name Doe, state CA. We can always use an XML lint formatter to make it look prettier on the Google Cloud Shell. However, a much more convenient and easier way is to use your existing Postman app, so and send this request as a post. So I have sent the same request, https: the external IP address /myproxy, and when I click send, I get the pretty view, city, first name, last name, and state.